Say hello to our happy lab technicians. They are proud to work at a veterinary diagnostics lab where they are helping change the world for the better. These lab technicians, along with their lab mates, work with many different species and sample types. However, extracting DNA and RNA from so many different sample types can be overwhelming. Using so many sample types can take a lot of time, effort, and cost. Thankfully, there's the Applied Biosystems MagMAX CORE kit. Our universal sample extraction solution has been validated on 14 sample types, so lab technicians can run all of their sample types on the same run. With the worry about working with so many different sample types gone, these lab technicians have more time to focus on their research, like detecting animal diseases and preventing them from spreading to make the world better for animals, people, and the environment. MagMAX CORE Kit, making veterinary diagnostics easier, faster, and more economical. To learn more, visit thermofisher.com/magmax-core, the last sample extraction method you may ever need.